When I first came to Italy, I discovered the Fragoline, the little cute strawberry, wild strawberries that really I've only ever seen in Italy. A couple years later, I discovered that there is such a thing as strawberry risotto, where they make it in a little town outside of Rome called Nemi. It's about a 45-minute drive. So today, I'm going on a journey to finally get this strawberry risotto. And this, dashing viewers, is our destination. This is Nemi. And now we have to get our strawberry risotto, because that's the mission. See? You can even see it on the menu right here. Risotto alle Fragole. Now, I first heard about the risotto alle Fragole about 3 years ago, during time of COVID. Well, one day, stuff opened up here in Italy. I drove up here to Nemi, hoping to get them, having heard about the Strawberry Festival. But this was August. This was way after the Strawberry Festival. When the strawberries are out of season, I arrived here. I wanted to get a risotto alle Fragole, but I couldn't. Instead, my soul was crushed horrifically. But now, several years later, it's end of May, when everything is perfectly in season, a week away from a strawberry festival that happens here yearly, and I have been informed that now I can't get the risotto. It's in season, it's here, it's on the menu. So now I sit, and now I wait for the lovely proprietor to bring the risotto alle Fragole, and we'll see if it's as good as the legends of ancient Nemi make it out to be. It's arrived, the risotto alle Fragole. Okay, we're gonna have to see how it is. Let's see. Okay, look at it. Actual fragoline in the wild strawberries. They put cheese on it. There's cheese on this risotto, so we're gonna funky. Let's see how it is. Let's see how it tastes. Look at that, bellissimo. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna give it a go now. It is not what you expect it to be. It is nothing like I expected. I gotta have one more bite. It is a little sweet. It's a little sweet. It's strawberry. You expect it to be a little bit sweet, but it's got a little tang. Cheese. It's not entirely sweet. It's not like a super duper sweet thing. It's more like a sweet savory kind of mix. It's almost like a sweet and sour chicken from your favorite Chinese restaurant. It is funky though. This is one of the funkiest things I've ever had. But in a good way, not funky like bull testicle funky. Funky like it's just goddamn delicious funky. Great, sweet, savory, but better than your local sweet and sour chicken. You know what? I don't know anywhere else, literally on earth, where you can get this thing. I've traveled all over Italy. I've been in Sicily. I've been in Milan. I've been in Naples, I've been in Roma, this is Nemi. I've never had a risotto like this before. It's crazy. Whatever. Come here, get it. Just do so without a tour group.